Hello, my name is Sawan, and I am again here of day 6 English Communication Challenge through AI. I today completed two challenges. The first challenge that is given to me is a problem which is very serious to our Indian society, and that I can solve. So, from my perspective, I observe that as in India, the cleanliness is the one of the biggest issue for the society, because we see all around the countryside that there is a lot of garbage which are flying from here to there, and also the rivers are also full with it. And the if we find the reason behind it, so the reason is that if one person who feels that the cleanliness is limited, it is only limited to their home. Okay, if they come outside the home, it was not only their duty, it's everyone's duty. Okay, and if another other people's don't do that, so why should I? So this was the biggest problem, and they maintain the dirt around there, around the countryside. Okay, so they even the one thing that they know, that the garbage they throw, they lead to spread the mosquitoes and the bees, which also later sit on their food and spread the disease, and this make uh, so this was also one kind of concern. So what I think, so if we take an example of the Japan, in Japan the people are very aware about the cleanliness. They know how the cleanness matter for the country. The one of the biggest thing of the Japan is that the Japan in the if you go through the market of the Japan, you don't see any kind of dustbin there. The people put their garbage in their bag. Okay, and they even sell it later in the supermarket where they can get money. Okay, this kind of thing should be initiate by the government, that the people are encouraged to throw the garbage from here and there. In, and instead of this, they can put it in a one place and do a proper management for it. Okay, and the next challenge that I was given to me was what makes a true friend. Okay, it's also simple challenge, that what thing makes a friend a good friend, a friend which is a very good. Okay, so as I thought, from the good friend is a person, is someone who is always with us in our good times as well as in our worst moment of our life. When we have faces any kind of problem, he always stand by us and support us, and also uh, to fight with that problem. Okay, he so this was the friend. This is the friend who always is to stand by us. Okay, so good friend never disappoint us, he never jealous with our success, he always motivate us, he's always uh, find our mistake and try to improve them that mistakes. And also he uh, also save us to going from the to from the distraction. Okay, so these this kind of thing, these kind of qualities should have a friend. Thank you.